Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Megalook hair. They sent me over this like reddish brown auburn type of wig, and I decided to show you guys how I install it glueless because you guys know we're on a journey to growing back our edges and still wearing our wigs, because I feel like most people have been shying away from wigs because it's been pulling out their edges. So I'm going to show you how you can still wear your wigs, even your frontals, and not put any glue or anything, so you're just sitting it on your head and it's gonna still be secured. Mine is still secured and it's still gonna be melted. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, let's get right into this video.
Let's go back to the time when your nigga used to trip by the time we spent growing with your friend. It was all friendly on my end, even though I look forward to seeing you again. Like, when am I seeing you again? Hey, when are we speaking again? Yeah, you look good with that ink on your skin. Hood, but you far from the streets you was in. Oh yeah, no, he don't like it. Call me up, he don't like it. This was the perfect timing. Talking about you like a queen, making him mad. As if you never even matter. And you a bad bitch, you keep getting better. This ain't a side nigga anthem. I've been straight 40, going backward. You was on the verge of losing. You was acting like you ain't want shit to do with her. I cut out the bullshit and kept it true with her. That's why the sexual tension is high when I'm in rooms with her. She really the shit, I don't be juicing. I'm the shit too, that's why I'm so in tune with her. I feel like I'm something on you. I feel like you grew on me. Have I grown on you? Done frontin' like I don't want you. Keep treating me like I don't know you. Back and forth between me and all your niggas. Get busy tonight, that figures. Tonight you stand at his city. And still I answer your call when he doesn't answer at all. Well, I want that too, that's all. I need the same in return, that's all. It's all I want, all I want, all I want. It's all I want, all I want, all I want.
Just one time.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. I just end up just wetting the ends just to give it some life, but I like the big type of look, so I just left it big. I did not wet the top because when you wet it with water, it's gonna take a whole long time to dry, and I don't have any mousse. But if you had mousse, you could put the mousse on it to tame it, but I feel like I like the big hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, I will have the links down below to this wig. Make sure you check out Megalook hair. And yeah, I feel like my review for this hair is, if you want something quick and easy, you want something pre-colored, this is definitely the way to go. It probably is not going to last like too long, but it should last you a year with proper care. It has some shedding to it, and then you guys already seen the inside and everything. So if that's something you're looking for, a pre-colored wig and like a curly type of texture that's thick, I definitely recommend that you check out this one, and also check out other videos too to see what people have to say on this hair. I'll have the exact specs for my wig in the description box below. So yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.